you'll come up to a trail, and there's a gate at Stone Gap, and then the Union Springs narrows down some and gets a little tight, and the ruts start. So just so you know, now it's snowing pretty good too, so just know you'll make a left there at the sign that says Stone Gap.
I got side to the tight so that you missed a tree.
Yep. Yep.
Fantastic. Yeah. So we're sitting up here, it's snowing. We're getting close to Flagpole Knob, and as you come up the top, there's, I don't know, 6 or 7 mud pits that you can kind of drive through and see. So none of them are super deep, but fun nonetheless. Jacob's, I think, hit every single one of them, so